Hello friends, today's video tutorial will show you how to delete reels on Facebook. Ensure you watch the video to the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Now let's begin. Open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will open your profile setting. You scroll down and locate a clickable options like posts, about, photos and more. Tap on more. Now you tap on videos. Here you can create reels and find your saved reels. Tap on the saved button to open your saved reels. Then you tap on the reels you want to delete. Now you tap on the three dots below your screen. Now click on save reels. Now the reels has automatically been deleted from your reels profile. Now let's check for it again. You can see it's no longer here. Now to delete your personal reels, you tap on the reels you made. Tap the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the delete button to delete your reels, and you tap on delete again to confirm the deletion. That's it. You have successfully deleted reels on your Facebook account. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.